I was out at the airport on a windy Wednesday, thinking I had wasted my $2.70 admission fee. I was again wondering why I was there at the quietest time of the day, when I caught a glimpse of a light aircraft bobbing up and down on runway 17.
Lima High is available if you want due to the turbulence there.
Hey firm, we'll take that please, Mike November Lima.
Mike November Lima, climb to 9,000, let me know if you want any higher.
So, what happened here? I took this footage at around 1 p.m. on August 28th. It was very windy that day, and I assumed that the Beech 76 was training. The aircraft flew northeast towards Boorowa, turned back towards Canberra, and circled the area around Lake Burrinjuck. By the time the aircraft returned to Canberra, the winds were gusting up to 61 kilometres per hour from the northwest. The pilot was buffeted by the winds on landing and opted to go around. The pilot whipped around the circuit quickly to make a perfect landing on runway 17. I managed to catch him most of the way around.
Canberra approach, good afternoon, Jetstar 654 on the 75120 with Echo.
Jetstar 654, Canberra approach, good morning, DSV start at 7,000, KNH1009er.
DSV start 90,1009, Jetstar 654.
Jetstar 654, cleared altitude, 17,000 Vistar.
Apologies, 7,000 Vistar 1009, Jetstar 654.
Jetstar 654, preceding traffic reported moderate turbulence below 7,000 all the way down final.
Copy that, thank you, Jetstar 654.
Jetstar 654, DSV start at 6,000, cleared RMP X-ray approach.
DSV start 6,000, clear the RP X-ray approach, Jetstar 654.
Mike November Lima, contact Melbourne Centre now, 128.4. 128.4, Mike November Lima.
Oops.
The moral of the story is you can never tell when something interesting is going to happen.
Jetstar 654, contact Tower now, 1187.
Tower 1187, Jetstar 654, thanks.
You can like and subscribe for more video from Capital Aviation. Join on Facebook also for shorter videos. Thanks for watching.